What is the real estate market going to do in 2024? As we say goodbye to the volatile housing market of 2023, what are the experts predicting for 24? Hi, I'm Deb Grimme with Edina Realty. Happy New Year! Let's take a look at the real estate experts are saying. Prediction 1, after being sidelined for most of 2023 due to higher mortgage rates, buyers will re-enter the market due to all indicators pointing at interest rates coming down, making the market more affordable. Does this mean that we'll see interest rates fall back down to the low rates of 2020? Probably not. But we will most likely not see the high 8% rates we saw last year. Experts are also predicting we will see more inventory in 2024, mainly due to sellers having to sell and not hold out any longer waiting for things to change. Experts are also predicting we will see more inventory in 2024, mainly due to sellers having to sell and not hold out any longer waiting for things to change. This will create more listings on the market for buyers and create more demand. We all also expected to see more buyers purchasing fixer-uppers rather than current turnkey properties. This is a new trend that proves more attractive to buyers rather than turnkey properties that need no updating. Of course, these are all predictions and not for certain, but we all know that real estate market is volatile and we do not have a crystal ball. So if you'd like more information on the housing market in your area, please feel free to contact my team and me. Let us help you with your next strategic move, whether buying or selling. I'm Deb Grimme, homesintwincities.com and Edina Realty, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. And as always, make it a great day.